Hunan Alliance Metal Products Company Limited was founded in 1996 and is an enterprise that integrates R&D, production and sales of stainless steel pipes and nickel alloy products. After 1 decade of development, Alliance Metal has become one of the top 20 special steel companies in China and also the first nickel alloy brand in Hunan province. The registered capital of the company is 75 million yuan, and total investment has reached more than 250 million yuan. The company has 2 major production bases, which are located in Jiangsu and Shanghai, which mainly produce stainless steel welded pipes, seamless pipes, nickel alloy forgings, bars, flanges, and other pipe fittings products. Our products are widely used in environmental protection, papermaking, water treatment, petrochemical, automotive, shipping, and other industries and fields. Now, the annual production capacity of stainless steel products has been over 20,000 tons, of which nickel alloys has also reached 3,000 tons. Alliance Metal Company now has 5 leading automatic welding production lines, 8 seamless tube cold drawing machines, 2 vacuum induction furnaces imported from Germany, and 2 atmosphere-protected electroslag furnaces. By the advanced international technology and perfect detection means, we can provide polishing, welding, punching, bending, lathe processing, and other services for various nickel alloy materials and stainless steel products. With customer satisfaction and details concern as the quality concept, the company has passed ISO 9001 quality certificate, British LR certificate, European PED certificate, German TUV certificate, China Classification Society certificate, and American API certificate to guide all employees to implement fine management and operation, and to provide customers with lean products, lean services, and also to enhance the competitiveness and creativity of products. In order to enter the market with high-quality products, Alliance Metal invests 10% of its annual income in research and development of new technologies and products. At present, we have constant scientific research cooperation with Bao Steel Special Steel Technology Center and Central South University on nickel alloy materials. Alliance Metal Company's products have been widely recognized by GE, Fisher, Flowserve, Velan, KSB, and other well-known international and domestic enterprises. Stainless steel pipes and nickel alloy products are exported to the United States, Germany, Korea, Japan, India, Southeast Asia, and other countries and regions. With good reputation and high-quality products in the industry, Alliance has successfully undertaken benchmarking projects such as SS refining of stainless steel welded pipe in Iran National Petroleum Corporation, SS chemical pipeline of LFF stainless steel welded pipe in Australia, Sinopec Dubai S32760 large diameter steel pipe, and 254 SMO steel pipe in Malaysia power plant. At present, Alliance Metal Company is committed to upgrading the technical strength to industry-leading and world-class level. During the process of development, Alliance always keeps in mind the company's core values to uphold the principle of creating unique value for customers, which has been spoken highly of by our worldwide clients. In terms of social responsibility, Alliance took the lead in setting up the first love fund of the industry and building the talents incubation base related to steel. We are also involved in earthquake relief, helping the weak and poor, and dedicating love during our way forward. Faced with new developments, Alliance strives to set up branches all over the world to serve customers by promoting the 4 core competencies of R&D, production, service and marketing, for realizing our vision of building a world-class special steel enterprise for a century. Alliance, global integrated special steel supplier.